Welcome to WFixing. So today we will be solving the problem that is Windows 10 100% disk usage in Task Manager. So oftenly you can see this problem on your PC, but we have some 7 solutions for this problem. We will go through one by one through the solution of this problem, each solution of this problem. So first is disable super FTech service. Second is update your device drivers, perform a disk check, reset virtual memory, then disable antivirus software temporarily, fix your store ahci.sys driver and switch to Chrome OS. You need not to worry about any solution. I have just explained you. I have just told you this, read you the solutions for you, but we will be going to throughout each one solution in the deep. Okay, so our first solution is disable superfetch. Superfetch helps to decrease boot time and make must load programs more efficiently. However, it has been identified as a potential cause of disk performance issues in Windows 8. So on your keyboard, press Windows logo key and type command prompt, then select run as administrator. So what we have to open is, I will open command prompt. I will type here command prompt and click on run as administrator. I will click on yes. So you can see here the interface in front of me. Then what you have to do is you have to type one command, that is net.exe stop superfetch. So you have to type the command exactly, net.exe space stop superfetch. So guys, you have to type the same command as I am typing here. Okay, so I will enter. The service name is invalid. Okay, so if you have any problem, then it will not show you. That you have to do is, I will type another command, that is net.exe stop sysmain. Okay, these commands works for some PCs either, but these commands doesn't work for some PCs. So you can see here the system is service is stopping. The SYS main service was stopped successfully. Then you can go to the task manager. Wait a few minutes and task manager. That is, I will open that is task manager from here. I will click on open and you can see 0% and 2%, that is, it will show the disk 0% here after some time. Okay, so I will close this tab. So guys, second solution is update your device drivers. So for that, what you have to do, okay, so for that what you will do is, you have to open device manager. I will click on open. So you can see the interface in front of me, and you have to update your device drivers. Okay, so how can you update all these drivers? So you can manually update these drivers directly from computer. I will right click on this and go to properties, drivers, and you have to update driver from here. No drivers files are required or have been located on the service. Okay, or you have to click on update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Search automatically for drivers. So you can see here the base drivers for your device are already installed. So as this way you have to install all the drivers, that is disk drivers, display drivers. Right clicking on this and clicking on update driver. Okay, I will again click on the display adapters and you have to repeat the same procedure again and again. So our next third solution is perform a disk check. So for that we have to open again the command prompt. We have to open the command prompt again. Okay, so I will be opening the command prompt again. so that what we have to do is command prompt admin. Then choose command prompt. I will type here the command prompt and I will open it as a run administrator. Okay, so click on yes, then you can see the interface of our command prompt. And after that, what we have to run is we have to run one command that will overall check chd chkdsk check. Okay, so I will be not implementing the command in my PC, because when you restart your PC, it will scan your PC from the scratch. So I don't want that, because already my PC don't have any problem. Okay, but you guys, you have to type this command as it is. Okay, chkdsk, and you have to run this command on your device, that is chkdsk.exe /f /r. You have to enter this command. Okay, and when it will execute, restart your PC, so it will start and it will remove all the problems in your PC. So our next solution, guys, is reset virtual memory. So for that, what we will do is, on your keyboard press Windows key and pause or break key. What you will type is Windows or pause. So if you don't know the pause, okay, if you don't know the pause, then we will type here is, we have to type here system or you can see a system configuration, but system, we have to open system properties. Okay, not the configuration. Okay, so what I will do is, I will open here the control panel. From here I will open the control panel, and then after we will choose all control panel items, and then in this we have to select the system option. I will click on system. After that, go to the advanced tab and then click settings. Okay, advanced system settings. Okay, you can see here the advanced system settings, and then go to the advanced tab here, click on settings. Okay, and you can see here in this option, go to the advanced tab again, adjust for best performance. You can see here. So that what you have to select is programs and click on change. You can change it from here, apply and OK. So this will solve your problem again. So next solution is that is disable antivirus software temporary. So if you don't have any antivirus software in your device, but you have inbuilt, so what I will do is, I will type here antivirus and threat protection. I will click OK here and manage settings, real time protection, I will click on off. Yes. Okay, so that's you have to do and try to fix the issue of your PC. So thank you for this video, guys. I hope you guys find your solution. Thank you.